Welcome to AI at your assistance. Today, let's take a look at AI and the legal law. How is AI impacting the legal profession? It's reshaping both how lawyers work and what the law itself has to deal with. First, day to day work. Modern AI is acting like a super fast junior assistant, automating routine tasks like legal research, document review, and contract drafting. It's estimated to save lawyers around 240 hours per year. This puts pressure on the billable hour model. If AI does the work in minutes, billing 8 hours doesn't make sense anymore. We're seeing a shift toward value pricing and flat fees. Competence now means knowing how to use AI safely. Lawyers must design good prompts, check outputs for hallucinations, and supervise the AI like a non lawyer assistant. The law itself is changing. We have new areas like AI compliance, IP rights for AI outputs, and liability. The EU AI Act is just the beginning of strict obligations for high risk AI. In the courtroom, judges are using AI to manage overload, but they're also cracking down. Lawyers have been sanctioned for citing fake AI invented cases. You must verify everything. The big risks: hallucinations, bias in historical data, and confidentiality issues. You can't just paste client data into a public tool. So, where do you sit in this ecosystem? Identify the repetitive tasks in your work. Those are prime candidates for AI. This has been AI at your assistance, brought to you by Maxine's Avatar, created by HeyGen.